What's the meaning of almanac? Almanac. 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 Almanac.
An almanac is an annual publication that provides a range of information related to the calendar year. It typically includes data such as dates of important events, astronomical information, weather forecasts, tide tables, and various statistics. The word almanac comes from the Arabic word almanac, which means a calendar. Almanacs have been produced for centuries and are used by a wide range of people, including farmers, sailors, and astrologers. They can be found in both print and digital formats and are useful tools for planning and organizing various activities throughout the year.